All right, so once again, starting from the storage fold. Another thing you can do with the blanket, if you unfold it once to the kneeling position, and then fold it in half long ways. So it looks like this. This is a really great boost for your seat. So anytime you're doing a seated pose, and I'm going to face the side here, it's sometimes helpful to sit up on the very edge of the blanket, and you can see that my hips are kind of rolling forward and almost off. If you sit straight up, that's really just lifting the floor higher, but you kind of want to get your sitting bones right on the edge of that blanket. And this could be very useful to help keep your pelvis and your back in alignment as you're coming into a forward fold. It can be really helpful to actually sit up on multiple blankets folded like this for the cross-legged position, or bound angle pose where the soles of the feet are together, and pretty much for any seated pose where you might need some height. The other nice thing about this fold is if, for example, you're sitting in staff pose and you want to get a little more lift of the chest, you can actually reach back, hold onto the blanket, and imagine as though you could pull it apart. So I'm actually really kind of ripping the blanket apart from side to side. That gives me a little extra lift in my chest, and then I can try to maintain that after letting go of the blanket.